Hello and welcome to MahindraGuru.com, the Brahmas for Success, and you're watching the Current Affairs Express running daily on MahindraGuru.com. If it's a headline, it's on the Current Affairs Express. Before starting the video, it's a request from our side to subscribe our YouTube channel for unlimited access to all the videos we have to offer. Follow us on Instagram, tweet us on Twitter, and like our Facebook page for unlimited access to all the content that we have. Let's see the first headline. India successfully launched its INSAT 3DR advanced weather satellite using its heavy geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle GSLV F-05 rocket. Now this is the first flight in which the CUS, that is the cryogenic upper stage, is used, in which the liquid fuel inside is absorbed by the atmosphere. Next headline. The Ministry of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, Narendra Modi Singh Tomar, released the Swachh Sarvekshan for rural India and revealed that Mandi in Himachal Pradesh and Sindhu Durg in Maharashtra are the clean districts in India. Perhaps our districts could take a cue from these districts across the country. Next headline. PepsiCo CEO and Chairman Indra Nooyi is the only Indian origin woman in the Fortune's 51 most powerful women list. Nooyi is ranked second in the list. It is topped by Mary Barra, CEO and Chairman of General Motors. Now these two women have been the Amazon in terms of these particular industries. Next headline. President Pranab Mukherjee gave assent to the Constitution Amendment Bill on Goods and Services Tax. So finally, the assent has been done, and various states have also ratified on this highly awaited indirect tax, that is GST. Next headline. Uttar Pradesh Police launched Twitter service for better redressal of issues of the people. With this, the state became the first state in the country where the police will use Twitter in all the districts. Twitter Seva was launched by Uttar Pradesh DGP S. Javed Ahmed. Now, this is the first, and it's a good thing that people could tweet and tell their concern directly to the UP Police at UP Police. Next headline. Central Board of Direct Taxes has launched the e-Nivaran facility for online redressal of taxpayers' grievances related to refunds, ITRs and PAN and others. So e-Nivaran has finally transpired. Next. Assam Chief Minister Sarbanand Sonowal inaugurated Majuli as a 35th district of Assam. With this, Majuli became India's first island district. So there could be a question concerning a river island across the River Brahmaputra, which is that particular district, that is Majuli. A good thing. And the Lion of Wrestling Federation of India nominated the two-time Olympic medalist wrestler Sushil Kumar for the Padma Bhushan, India's third highest civilian honor. So this is a good thing for him. Perhaps he could not compete in this year's Olympics, but this would give him a relief. Next headline. The country's largest private lender, ICICI Bank, became the first bank in India to deploy software robots. So now the days are gone when you would see people greeting you in the banks. We would now have software robots. Next headline. Bharat Aluminium Company Limited BALCO won the CII National Award for Best Performance in the field of energy conservation. BALCO was given Excellent Energy Efficient Unit Award 2015 in the metal group. In addition, BALCO won the first BEE National Energy Conservation Award 2015 in the aluminium category. So it's good news for BALCO. With this, we come to an end. We have now the question section. What is the name of the satellite which India recently launched using its heavy geosynchronous satellite launch vehicle GSLV F-05 rocket, INSAT 1DR, INSAT 2DR, 3DR, 4DR or 5DR? Well, the answer is option 3, that is INSAT 3DR. Remember that it uses the CUS, that is the cryogenic upper stage engine. Next question. According to the Swachh Sarvekshan for rural India, which district bagged the cleanest districts in India? Perhaps you have to name the one. Kanpur? No. Mandi? Yes. Sultanpur? No. Firozabad? No. Shravasti? It is Mandi. That is the answer for this particular question. Next question. Who is the only Indian origin woman in Fortune's 51 most powerful women list 2016? Neeta Ambani, Arundhati Bhattacharya, Chanda Kochar, Indra Nooyi or Kiran Majumdar-Shaw? Well, the answer is option 4, that is Indra Nooyi. Next. Who gave the assent to the Constitution Amendment Bill on GST? Well, in India, it has to be the President, and that is neither Barack Obama, not at all Arvind Kejriwal, neither Hamid Ansari, nor Narendra Modi. It is President Pranab Mukherjee. That is the answer for this particular thing. Go through the GST details because the questions would come in the examinations in the coming months. Next question. Which service launched by Uttar Pradesh Police for better redressal of issues of the people? Well, it is the service issue Seva Samadhan or Twitter. It is the Twitter service for the redressal of the people. Next question. For online redressal of taxpayers' grievances, which facility was launched by Central Board of Direct Taxes? E-Shikayat, E-Nivaran, E-Samadhan, E-Santusht, या E-Tax? But the answer is option 2, that is E-Nivaran. Next question. Who inaugurated Majuli as the 35th district of Assam? Kaliko Pul, perhaps long live his soul. Pawan Chamling, Tarun Gogoi, Sarbanand Sonowal and Pema Khandu. Well, the answer is Sarbanand Sonowal, that is option 4. Next question. Which of the following has been nominated by WFI for the Padma Bhushan this year? Sakshi Malik, Vijendra Singh, Sushil Kumar, PV Sindhu or Deepakar Markar? Well, it is, all the other are highly reputed athletes, but the answer is option 3, that is the multiple medalist of Olympics for India, Sushil Kumar. Next question. Which bank became the first bank in India to deploy software robots? ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Mahindra Bank or RBL Bank? Well, the answer is option 1, that is ICICI Bank. Next question. Which company won the CII National Award for Best Performance in the field of energy conservation? Hindalco, CIL, NTPC, SAIL or Balco? Well, the answer is option 5, that is Balco. With this we come to an end. We have the answers and the winners list. Answers are CK Astani, Nissan 44 12 crore, ICICI Prudential Life, and the winners are Rahul Singh, Nilima Tiwari, Priyal Savarkar, Praveen Gupta, Sunil Soni, Mukesh Singh, Safiq Rahman is a continuous winner, Subrat Kar also is a winner, Ranatosh Mahato and Arvind Mahalkita. Now, few of these winners would be, their names would be published on our Facebook page for the top 3 winners list. Now, if you want to be in those winners list or in these 10 winners, we have an opportunity for you, that is the NP quiz or the newspaper quiz. Question 1. The INSAT 3DR, an advanced weather satellite with 4 payloads, was carried by GSLV Mark 1, PSLV Mark 1, GSLV Mark 2, PSLV Mark 2 or PSLV Mark 3. Question 2. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Barack Obama reviewed the Indo-US strategic partnership in the field of nuclear energy, renewable energy, climate change, renewable energy and climate change, nuclear energy and climate change. So pretty confusing options. Next question. At the 11th East India Summit, which country strongly supports India's membership in the new NSG or the Nuclear Suppliers Group? America, Russia, Japan, China or Singapore? And then the 4th question. Which country has joined hands with IIT Delhi to treat sewage water in order to avoid pollution in Yamuna? Vietnam, Netherlands, China, Laos or America? And the question 5. Who has entered the Guinness World Records as the youngest female with a beard? Well, that's pretty interesting. Jaswinder Narula, Jasprit Ahluwalia, Manjeet Kaul, Harnaam Kaur or Satvir Singh. That's funny as well. With this, we come to an end to the awesome session of the Current Affairs Express. We hope you liked the video. Do tell us your comments, your feedbacks and also answers so that we can name you in on our Facebook page and also in our video. Remember, your success. Thank you.